every store is different and each store has a different way of managing its store. So for some stores, they may regard an on hold status or a failed status as irrelevant, and they would like to exclude these from the reports. The same can be said maybe for the pending status. Some people may want this in their report and some people may not. Also, there are custom statuses which some stores have, and you may want to have full control over whether these are included in the reports or not. So we can do this from the store settings. And then clicking on Reports. Here in this section, which order statuses should be excluded from the reports. As we can see here, I have the cancelled and the failed order statuses excluded from the reports, and I'm also going to choose the pending payment status, as WooCommerce excludes the pending payment status from its own reports by default. It's worth noting here that if you do notice any differences between the numbers in your WooCommerce store and the numbers that you see in your Metorik reports, that you check here to make sure you have not excluded any statuses that may be affecting these numbers. Finally, you cannot exclude the refunded status. This is because refunds are automatically deducted to give you net sales and revenue figures in the Metorik app.